In this video, we will show you how to create a Questrade account. To start your investing journey with Questrade, first navigate to their website by typing questrade.com into your web browser's address bar. Once you are on the homepage, keep an eye out for the green Open an Account button situated at the top right corner. Questrade offers various types of accounts tailored to different needs, such as the tax-free savings account, registered retirement savings plan, margin account, and more. Take your time to decide which account type aligns best with your investment objectives. After selecting your preferred account type, click on the Open Now button beside it. If you have a referral code, you can input it here for any special offers. The following steps involve setting up your login credentials. Begin by entering your basic contact information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Then, create a username and password that you will use to access your Questrade account. Questrade will then walk you through the process of completing your profile. This step entails furnishing personal details, like your date of birth, residential address, employment status, and estimated yearly income. Take a moment to carefully review all the information you have provided. Ensure everything is accurate and up to date before proceeding. Once you are satisfied with your application, go ahead and submit it. You are on your way to becoming a Questrade member and embarking on your investment journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.